What if I told you that your grandparents' 401k is about to become crypto's biggest whale? While scientists are staking tokens to fund longevity research, and Ethereum is silently processing more transactions than Visa. This is Crypto Pulse, where the future of finance unfolds in real time. Hey everyone, Alex from Moonward Capital here with your 6-minute Crypto Pulse flash update. If you're new to the channel, we deliver the most actionable crypto intelligence twice daily to keep you ahead of the crowd. Today, we're tracking three massive convergence points that could reshape the entire crypto landscape. The $12.5 trillion retirement revolution, DeSci's explosive 29.57% sector-wide surge, and Ethereum's assault on the crucial $4,000 resistance. Let's dive straight into what matters most right now. Let's start with our market indicators. Bitcoin holds steady at $116,580, up just 0.16%, while Ethereum leads the charge at $3,265, climbing 4.12% as it approaches that critical $4,000 resistance level. XRP is showing impressive strength, up 7.84% to 3.29, while Solana and BNB follow with solid gains. But the real story today is happening in specific sectors. DeSci tokens have absolutely exploded, up 29.57% as a sector, followed by lending at 17.58%, and launchpads at 17.36%. This isn't random movement. There's a perfect storm of catalysts creating unprecedented convergence. Let me break it down for you. Quick question. Have you ever wondered what would happen if your grandparents' retirement funds started buying Bitcoin? Well, we're about to find out. The first major catalyst reshaping markets. Trump's historic executive order just unlocked $12.5 trillion in retirement funds for crypto investment. This isn't speculation, it's happening now. The order directs the Labor Department and SEC to permit crypto investments in retirement accounts, creating potentially the largest institutional on-ramp in crypto history. Think about it. Your grandparents' 401k is about to have access to Bitcoin and Ethereum for the first time ever. This comes as the SEC has completely dissolved its enforcement-focused crypto assets unit, replacing it with a collaborative crypto task force focused on structured rulemaking instead of enforcement actions. The regulatory dam has broken and institutional capital is flooding in. While retirement capital prepares to enter, the DeSci sector is experiencing a renaissance with a stunning 29.57% surge led by BioProtocol's V2 launch. This isn't just price speculation, it's utility in action. BioProtocol's new BioXP staking system has attracted over 25 million tokens staked within days, funding actual scientific research focused on longevity and disease. We've literally gone from when moon to let's cure aging in real time. This represents crypto's maturation moment, where tokens fund real-world solutions instead of just speculative trading. The BIO token has surged 60% on this breakthrough, pulling the entire DeSci ecosystem up in sympathy. Meanwhile, Ethereum is staging a decisive assault on $4,000 resistance, backed by multiple converging factors. Record ETF inflows in July created $5.4 billion in structural buying pressure, while Treasury companies like BlackRock deployed over $103 million in fresh ETH purchases. This isn't just retail FOMO, it's institutional conviction. Technical analysts note hedge funds are actually defending the $4,000 level via options positioning, and a decisive break could trigger short covering toward $4,500 or beyond. What's more impressive is Ethereum is processing nearly 1.87 million daily transactions, approaching its all-time high, showing this rally is backed by genuine network utility, not just speculation. Another major trend reshaping markets, the DeFi buyback summer, is exploding as protocols pivot from passive treasury management to active value accrual. Lido DAO has proposed a historic 70% treasury buyback program worth $145 million, scheduled for an August 25th snapshot vote. Simultaneously, Chainlink launched its strategic link reserve, accumulating $116 million in the first 24 hours by converting enterprise payments directly into token demand. This buyback narrative now dominates 15.73% of market mindshare as DeFi matures into shareholder-focused infrastructure. By the way, have you noticed how the strongest market trends emerge when utility meets value accrual? This is exactly what's happening right now. So what does all this mean for your strategy? Here are 3 key actions to consider. Monitor ETH's 4K breakout attempt as institutional flows accelerate and hedge fund short positions face pressure. A decisive break could trigger rapid movement toward $4,500. Track bioprotocols BioXP adoption as DeSci proves sustainable utility beyond speculation. This validates decentralized science infrastructure as a legitimate investment thesis. Watch Lido's August 25th snapshot vote for the 145mm buyback approval. This could set a precedent for Treasury optimization across the entire DeFi ecosystem. We're witnessing a perfect convergence where institutional legitimacy meets breakthrough utility, meets value accrual, all at once. Sometimes generational opportunities emerge when regulatory barriers fall while utility proves itself at scale. That rare moment is happening right now. This is Alex with your Crypto Pulse Flash update. For deeper analysis on any of these trends, check out our full reports in the description below. If this intelligence helps your strategy, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay ahead of the crowd. See you in 12 hours for our next update.